Hello friends and hello student. In this session we learn the alphabet triangle in C language. So let us start. I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here turbo C++ is there. I just take double click and now take some time. And now yes is open and Alt F file menu is open and you take new file and here write a program to print alphabets uh, triangle. Okay, so that is our goal of this definition. So any definition is our technique, that is input, process and output. So here you can print alphabet means capital ABCD or small ABCD, that is depend upon your choice. So here we can take header file. So yes, include. So we can start our include and stdio.h, yes, and then conio console input output.h, and then void main, yes. So you have to know very well every program start in main function in C language, and here we have to uh, take integer variable I, j, and initially n for number of rows. So n, you can also take the r variable, and here we can scan our n variable. Enter number of rows. Yes, so rows, how many rows? So you have to know, I think, very well. Let us I first understand uh, what is a triangle shape in vector. So here first I take some rough work. So you have to know very well here. I like first I give the example of integer like first one. So that is first row and first column. Then second row and first column, and then second column. So that is our goal. So we have to take the one control for I as a for loop, because triangle pattern and pyramid all programming taking the for loop is a best choice, because all three parts, initialization, condition and the increment decrement part in one place. So one outer loop is control the row and inner loop print this element to column. So here one, so that is one row, and then we can take the slash n, then second row, that is two element, that is inner loop is print and outer loop is control for that our element. So outer loop control to row and inner loop control to print our element. So one, two and three element in three row. So that is a combination like one, two, three, two, three and four, up to like I give the example 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And same way here I just write for you in caps lock A, then A to B, that is our goal. So A, B and C. We can also capital in small, that is no problem. Then here we can take so taking two loops, so that is a logic. We can I just write for your paperwork. So that is a paperwork. Okay, so how every program you can first take some understanding. So here row and column, so that is a our goal. So one row here, one element, one row, and then second row there are two column, we can say that two element, or third row that is three. So that is I just reference for you, I just comment line, multi comment line, and that is our paperwork. And that is that iteration of the loop. You can also take the watch window, so that is how it's print. Okay, so now I just beginning level how to print the triangle in digit or we here take the example alphabet, but in my previous video I also cover the float, that type of triangle known as a float shape. So Robert Float is name, that is history behind it. So here first can take one for loop, and here I equal to 1, then I less than equal to, some student not understand why that is condition, how it's true and false. So that's I give the reference. So that is now j equal to 1, then j less than equal to I, and j plus plus, yes, and then one statement, so that is not require opening closing brace in inner loop. So here we can give the percentage d, and I just print as j variable, so that is our element. And next here outer for loop, we can in our paperwork we can see the next come into line next element, so that is taking the slash n, and here we can provide the get ch. Okay, so first I save. So here we can say that alpha. Okay, so alpha underscore triangle dot c. Okay, so that is a file we can save, and yes, there is no any error. First that print the digit, but we can convert after that alpha. So that is our goal. And you can look one row for one element, so that is a row is controlled by this loop, and column controlled by element print and control also, because that the loop is repeat that number of time. So when I equal to 1, then condition is we can give the 5. So that is a j taking j in out inner loop every time j initialize 1, but outer loop is a I initialize only one time. Okay, and then condition check, and then condition check and increment is done. But in inner loop every time initialize, then condition check, and then j plus plus, then again that all iteration is complete, then again that outer loop is done, that further that j is initialized to 1. So if you not understand, I just show you how it's possible. So I take first alter w and take the watch window. Okay, and then alter w, and then output window. So our previous output is there, and here we can take one blank, yes, so that print the separate. I first run and then show you. So yes, so let us look that some in between some one space is there. So now let us take I here that how it's done. So I take I and then j and then number of elements. Okay, row. So now you have to know very well alter R and then it press into F7 function key. So I press F7 and compiler start main, and then our variable is some garbage value. And now that here is clear screen and enter number of row, yes, and end scan. Here I take 5, and how iteration of inner and outer loop we can understand first. So now n is initialized 5, and that garbage value is gone, and ij still that garbage value. Now I initialize 1, and then j initialize 1. That condition is that true, that condition also, because j less than or equal to I, so that is a print only one element. Then that print and then increment, so that is condition false, because j is, you can look in watch window, so j is now 2 but I is 1, so that condition is inner condition false, and taking slash n, so new line new element, and I plus plus, so I is plus and condition is both in same. So here first time that initialize 1 and condition check. Then after outer loop increment and condition check both same as a time. And then now inner loop is done, that j initialize here 2 previously but now is 1. And then condition check and j print 1, yes, because that j is value 1. So that print 1, and then j plus plus, so less than equal to condition check and increment first and then condition check. Then j value 2, yes, here 2. Now j plus plus, so that condition is false, slash n, yes. Now that again I increment I value is 3, and now j initialize 1. So again you can see same process. So j print 1, next condition is j increment 2 and condition check both same time, then 2, yes, then further j plus plus and condition check, but because equal sign is there, so j and I same value, so condition last time true, and j plus plus, so j is 4, I is 3, condition false, and taking new line. Now I increment 4 and j initialize again 1, then 1, same process, 1, 2, 3. I think I have no repeat. And last time that 4 element, that slash n condition is false because j is 5, I is 4, and then I plus plus, so I is a 5 and j initialize 1. So all 1 to 5 element is print. I just pass yes, and then j is 6, now condition is false, and also that condition is outer for loop false because I n and j I is 6 and n is 5, so outer loop false and our goal is successfully. So some student not understand how that happened, so I just explain. Okay, now over this goal I just show you alphabet triangle, and let us first we can take here we can change directly. I initialize 65. Okay, and then here I first static, and then we can take dynamically. So here I take 70, and also here I initialize like a I. Okay, so I is a, you can say that no, 65. Yes, so I is changed, so we can start every our print is a and then b, that is our goal in of our that is a, you can see. So here we can first done as a static, and then we can convert dynamic. So in this static way we cannot require to n variable. I just comment, and we can open also that we can take dynamic that time. So I just save and then compile. Yes, and now we can change one require is that here percentage d to c, so that is character alphabet capital A, that ASCII code is a 65. Okay, and up to 70, so that is go to the E. Let us check how it's print. So yes, our goal a b a b c d a b c d, that is static. Okay, so how we can take the dynamic, and that is a, and also we can print the different type of design shape. That is a, you can watch in output over. So here is a shape is a right angle. Now we can also take in the left angle, so we can shift our angle, so that is also possible. But we can take first dynamic. So I open again that comment line. Yes, and then here I initialize as previously 1, and here less than or equal to n. Yes, and here we can initialize j equal to 1. Then how it's print? So here we can take one character variable and ch, and that here in inner that loop, that j, that we, you can know advanced feature of for loop. If you not understand advanced feature of for loop, you can watch my previous video advanced feature in for loop in YouTube, Ashok Sejal Academy. So here I comma and double part of initialization. Here I give first capital A. Okay, and then here we can print the ch. Yes, okay, so and then postfix increment of plus plus. So let us take how it's possible that same, that is a dynamically. Yes, I control F9 and that give 5. So yes, that is a same print a b a b c d a b c d, same but dynamically. That is our control. Like here I give the like 10 row, so that is also possible. Yes, there is no limit. And previously we can fix the size 5 only. You have to be not take 10. 10 you can give the not print proper. Okay, or you can increment your condition static value. That is also possible, but you can change every time. Okay, so what's happened in this session? Yes, how it's print. So here we can initialize that every time. I can previously show in watch window that turn outer loop is complete, then inner loop go, and then every time j is initialized and same ch initialize capital A, and then that plus plus. So that go in one row A. Okay, and then j plus plus first time condition false, then I plus plus, then two character of second row j initialize 1 and also ch initialize a, so a and plus plus. So a is that ASCII code is a 65, then plus plus, so 66, and percentage c, and also we can take the character. Okay, so you can also here initialize like that, take the integer variable and assign to 65, and percentage d you have to take that also print, there is no problem. Let us look at also how it's possible. So I just give the comment line of that character data type and taking here as a integer data type ch. Okay, and here we can initialize the not character but 65 ASCII code of capital A, and then remaining as it is, no change is required. Let us take that is also print or not. Yes, there is no problem. So that is also possible. You can initialize in a character ASCII code of the A. Okay, so both are valid. So depend upon your choice. So here we can, as it is, no problem. We can, yes, there is no any problem. Okay, so now we can take some different shape. Here you can watch that is a first we can shift this triangle into middle of the screen. So how that is, we can take one variable and that is a sp space, and that here we can take for loop, and then sp is initialized to 1, then sp less than 40, because our monitor resolution, or that we can say that width of monitor, that is a 80 column, so divide by 2, so that is a 40. So 40 is a middle part of our monitor screen, and 25 row 0 to 25, because start with 0. So row is not required in the page, but column is required. So here we can just print the blank page, one blank. Okay, so now look how it's print. Yes, let us check. Yes, so that is a middle part of our screen, and that shape is a right angle. Now we can shift in the left angle. So how it's left to right, that shape we have to change. So just here I initialize uh, in pace variable I. So that number of time pace is less in the 40, like I is 1, so that is a 39 pace provide, then I plus plus second time, then 38 pace is required, so that our triangle is go to right justification to left justification. Let us check how it possible. So yes, that shape is a like triangle to pyramid. That also possible because we can provide one blank. So here I remove the blank, one give the blank in that type we can remove, and let us check now that the justification is left side. Yes, so all element go in left. So we can change, there are, we can print in three shape. First right justification, left, and triangle to a triangle shape to pyramid. Just only one provide the blank, and that is shift the triangle to triangle shape in pyramid. That is pyramid shape, but that triangle is there. So I think up, and you can give any number of, there is no limitation. I like 10, so that is a print 10 row. Okay, so I think hope understand. And now again, and we can give some yes, first we can give some, I can also print in reverse order. So first we can provide like I provide here some color. Yes, so that is also possible. So here we can take text color. Yes, so text color is there, and text color we pass like so many color is there. We can provide like red color, and plus we can plus sign using that, and blinking is also possible. Okay, and here we can use the C printf. Yes, and let us take how it's print. Yes, so, and first we can check. Yes, so I print 5 row. Yes, so that is a blinking, and red is color, so blink is possible in. Yes, so yes, and now one use the next function is a delay, some waiting to compiler and then printing. So that is also some magic like. So here we can provide 500, and that one header file is required. Yes, that is also in delay function is the that text color is in console conio.h, that header file. So there is no extra header file is required. But now those.h is delay function is that delay function. Okay, and also we can provide the text background. Okay, text background. So we can take the like I variable. Yes, so different background. Yes, let us check how it's print to give the 5. So that is also yes. So red is our character is not display. So that is also blinking and printing and some waiting first initially delay function we have to use. So here we can take the like J variables. So that is also possible. We can check. Yes. So yes, now okay, one element is not printed and two element because red is there. Okay. So now here we can provide the white, yes, background color white. Yes, let us check how it looks. This white is not there. Okay, so we can first check the color. So I think green is there, white, I think white. Yes, yes, now spelling is mistake. So now let us check how it's, yes, white is there. Okay. Okay, so you can print different type of like I now green, only green is background color. So let us check how it's look. So now is all are green. Okay. Okay, now we can change our shape. Okay, so there are we can taking the three shape. You have to know I just revise. So first we can print right justify. I again here give one and here remove the blank space and then let us check how it's print. So that is a right justification. Okay, right side, all are right side. So right triangle. Yes. Now I can shift to left right side. So here just you can change I. There is no any required to change. Okay. So let us how it's print. Yes. So all our right side justification is there. So shape is changed to shape. Then third shape just provide here blank here in percentage C here one blank. So and also here possible here 2 that is also provide width of that is let us check how it's print. So yes, that is a shape in the triangle to pyramid shape. Yes, so that is also possible. There are two way to convert the triangle to pyramid. Here 2D, 2C is there, 2D also you can provide, and here one blank page. So both are print same way. So that is a convert into the triangle to pyramid shape. That is triangle, but print in pyramid shape. Okay. Now we can change that pink color. That is main our color. So let us last. Yes, not a pink. Okay, pink is not there. Just let us check. Just how it's not or yes, no. So pink is not possible. So yellow is there. I think pink is not there. Okay, let us check in help library. That is a color combination. So many is there. So text color is there. Text background is there. So text mode is there. But we can take color. Just let us check in giving the that is header file is a console conio.h. So we can text color and text background both are in the console input output header file. So there is no require any extra. But here give not any color to define. Here yes sign is there and plus blinking is there. Okay, and that here some instructions. Some monitor do not recognize the incentive signal used to create light color. So 8 to 15 or such monitor light color are displayed as a dark equivalent 0 to 7. So that type code we have to pass in our A, I, and J. So that is a giving and that color is not list out in this help library. Okay, so we can take yellow. Yes, let us check how it's print. So yes, that is a yellow color and background is a green. Okay. Okay, and also I think blue is there, so we can check some different color. So let us also possible green. So yes, green is there. Background green, but our text color is a blue. Blue is there. Okay, now we can three shape check, and now I just was previously red, and our background is a, we can take like blue. Yes, so that combination, let us check. And I change again our shape, and that is we can reverse order. So how it's, I just here I equal to n, and I main our row is repeat remove to change that reverse order. So I is greater than equal to 1, and here we can change minus minus. So number of row in reverse order. So 5 row, then 4 row, 3 row, 2 and 1. So that is a goal. So we can just shift our main loop. So that is order is changed. Let us check. And first I check change the triangle shape. So here I again assign 1 and remove this blank. Also here is blank 1 in between blank. There is no triangle to shape. So triangle to pyramid. Let us check how it's print. So that is a reverse order. A, B, C, D, E first, then 4 row. Okay, and that shape is a right justification. So that is a 4 shape. One triangle, I print the 4 shape for fourth technique. So that shape is a reverse order. First 5 row, 4 row, 3 row, 2 and 1, and reverse order. So main loop over what control of the row, that is we have to change in reverse order. So here what we can do, so I initialize to n, I is greater than 1 and I minus minus. So that is a change. And now that is a right justification. Also same way I here assign to now I. So that is a right to left justification. Yes, also, and that blue background is not look proper. So here assign the yellow, yellow background, and I think in capital, like we can first I give so testing, so that work in small letter, just no, because that symbol is error, so we can must pass in capital letter. Okay, so that is a capital. Color is, yes, there is no error now. Okay, so we can change our shape. Yes, so look at the shape now. Yes, so okay, so that is a triangle to pyramid, because we have to one provide the blank and initialize to space to. Yes, let us check. Yes, here I is there. So here we can pass the 1, then our shape right justify, right to left justify. Yes, now is a right to left. Yes, that is a, we can say that fifth shape. Yes, that fifth shape. So justification is change. Okay, so that is a right shape. Now we can convert into the left shape. So here I assign to I and remove this blank page. Yes, that right we can remove in the blank page. So that is a right justify. Now left is now commas. So that is a, we can take, now is a right side. Previously print in the right side, but now is left side. All are left shifting. And last technique, sixth technique is there. One shape you can taking the sixth technique in triangle shape. So now is a pyramid, that the reverse order pyramid is there. Yes. So look at the triangle in reverse order, triangle shape in pyramid convert. And last testing, I just copy all these loop. Yes, I just copy all these loop and paste. And in main our loop is changed here. I just change. So that is mirror image. Yes, F1, and I less than equal to n, and I plus plus. first look, and then we can change some color also. So first what happened? Yes, now the two time first is a like a time, or timer is there. So yes, that is a complete, and now second, that is shape in the timer, alphabet timer, you can say that. So if you not like all same color, so you can also take some different color to here on in above or below. So here we can take the yellow, and background we can take some like uh, we can reverse order, or yellow plus blue is not proper white. Yes, let us check how it's now. Yes, so that is a okay. Now I think that is perfect. Yes, now white is there, but yellow is not proper. We can take blue color, so you can look better way. So some testing is required because combination sometimes is not successfully. Yes, so here we can provide the blue, or you can take the blue, or color it blue and background yellow. That time also possible. So background blue is not look good. So here we text color is a blue, and here we can same as a yellow is there. So here you can take shine. Yes, shine is there, SY, and shine color is there. So let us how it's look. Last testing is there. So many possibilities there. We can one triangle alpha to taking 6 different type of shape, and now that is 7 testing. Yes, that is look better, and shine background and blue, that combination, and above is a yellow but not perfect, and yellow shape, that like brown color is there. Okay, so hope you can understand very well. Simple to so different style we have to apply in this session. So write down this program to your notebook. We can take first I just summary digit, then converting alphabet static, and then taking dynamic. Here now is not required. You can give the character also, capital A, and also yes, was one is remaining testing. Here I give the 97 small set. Yes, that is also possible. So there is, we can change last year's year small set, capital small a to z. So that is as 97 start small a. So let us directly we can, so capital A to small a b c d, that is no any change is there. So you have to also all shape in. Previously, we have to print 6 type of different shape. First, we can print the right side, then shifting to the left side, and print the in triangle to pyramid in A to B, that type. And then we can reverse order. So and then we can take 3 shape, right, left, and triangle to pyramid, and then that is a 7 pattern, we can say that. Or timer is that timer shape, some time passing, and some sand is drop down, so below up to below, so that is a time shape. In all technique, that timer is there, so sand is a go in the below, up to below, and that is timer, so that is shape. So that is a blinking, coloring, background coloring, and delay. For type, that time that the print is some taking compiler to wait and then print, because we have to use the delay function. So I hope you can understand and enjoy so many technique I give to here. Okay. So now I complete, and you can understand. Also, I provide the watch and output window step by step, how to explain inner and outer loop is done. So same as all triangle and pyramid shape. So now I close this session and close this file, alter F3 function key, and all our watch window, alter F3, and then here also that the blinking is there. Yes. So look at our output is also blinking in as it is. So I close, and now alter X. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And any question, any doubt for this definition or any programming or C language, so you can ask in comment section. So yes, thanks and Hare Krishna.